Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hand bone joint detection using image processing. So let's run this project. We have to run the testing file and then we have to copy that image path. Okay, let's give the image path and then click enter. So model will load and it will recognize the hand joint like DIP, PIP and MCP part. Okay, so it will recognize in the red, green and blue colors. Okay, you can give another image. So let's select any other image. So these all are the images. Just open it and copy the path and just give it through terminal. Let's run the python space testing.py file and paste the location and image name. Then the model will load and it will classify it. Okay, like that working. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, Java, Android. If you are searching any type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in the description, or else if you have any doubt, then you can comment in comment section. I will try to reach soon and clear your doubts, and do subscribe for more updates. Let's give another input. Just copy the image path and then it will classify it. Okay, so this is the complete project. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe to the channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.